Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete drafts from Gmail. If you've accumulated unnecessary draft emails, cluttering your account, clearing them out will help keep your inbox organized and easier to navigate. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser on your computer and head over to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Gmail login page where you can access your account. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in by entering your email address and clicking the next button. After that, type in your password and click Next again to complete the login process. Now that you're logged into your Gmail account, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find all your mail folders. Locate and click on Drafts. Depending on your settings, you might need to click More first to reveal the Drafts folder. This is where Gmail stores all the emails you've started but haven't sent yet, making it easy to return to them later or clean them up when they're no longer needed. Once you're in the Drafts folder, you'll see a list of all your saved drafts. To delete one, simply hover over the draft you want to remove or click the checkbox that appears to the left of it. This selects the draft and prepares it for deletion. You can select multiple drafts at once if you want to delete several in one go. After selecting the draft, look toward the top of the list for the trash can icon. Click on this icon to move the selected draft to your trash folder. The draft won't be permanently deleted just yet. It'll sit in the trash for 30 days before Gmail automatically removes it for good. If you want to permanently delete the draft immediately, navigate to the trash folder in your left sidebar. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Empty Trash. Now, clicking this will permanently delete all items in your trash, including the draft you just removed. Keep in mind this action can't be undone, so make sure you're certain before emptying your trash. Finally, refresh the page or go back to your drafts folder to confirm that the draft has been successfully removed. Your drafts folder should now be cleaner and more organized. Thanks for watching.